Alright, so the parts aren't in for this, but I do want to demonstrate putting the piston in before I leave today. What I'm going to do is I have the piston in front of me. Like in class, like some of you have learned, you're going to take the piston rings and put them at 33 degrees apart where the opening is. So when they're apart like that, then we have our piston ring compressor that will go over the piston rings. And we'll compress it like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to compress it because I'll need both hands. And then we'll turn back on the camera when I put it in the cylinder. Actually, I got to be on this side. So this is going to be the front of the piston. So right now they're compressed. So now I'll take them over to the engine.